Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.1 question number 1 5. Right? Question number 1 and 5. That is question 1 5 is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Find the LCM of 10, 15 and 2. Find the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. First you divide it by 5, that is 5 2 is 10, 5 1 is 5 and it is 2. Again divide it by 2, then 2, then 2 1 is 2, it is 1 and 2 1 is 2. Therefore LCM is equal to 5 into 2, 5 into 2, and that is equal to 10, right? Therefore LCM is 10. Therefore we are getting LCM as 10. This is 10. Now if we divide 10 by 10, it comes to 1, that is 7 into 1, 7 into 1, plus if we divide 10 by 5, it comes to 2, that is 2 into 2, plus if we divide 10 by 2, it is 5, that is 3 into 5 into 5. Then we are getting 7 is 7 plus 2 2 is 4 plus 3 5 is 15 by 10. Then we are getting, it is 10, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 7 26, 26 by 10. Now change it to lowest term, divide it by 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, that is 13 by 5. It comes to 13 by 5. Now since the numerator is greater, therefore we have to change into mixed fraction. Divide 13 by 5. We are getting 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10, 3, 2 whole 3 by 5. The answer is 2 whole 3 by 5. 3, 3, 2 whole 3 by 5. 2 whole 3 by 5. 3 by 5. This is the answer of question number 5. Now we solve question number 6. Here you see question number 6 is question number 6. Now question number 6 is, here you see question number 6 is, question number 6, 2 whole 2 by 3 plus 3 whole 1 by 2, that is equal to, multiply this number plus this, 3 is 6 plus 2 8, that is 8 by 3, 8 by 3 plus 2 into 3, that is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, 7 by 2. Find the LCM of 3 and 2. Find the LCM of 3 and 2 is divided by 1 only, that is 3 and 2. Therefore LCM is equal to 3 into 2 6. LCM is equal to 3 into 2, 2, that is equal to 6. Now LCM we are getting 6 as LCM. Divide this 6 by 3, that is 2, that is 8 into 2 into 2, 8 into 2, plus if we divide 6 by 2, it is 3, That is 3 into 7. 7. Therefore, we are getting 8 to the 16 plus 3 7 21 by 6. Or you can write as 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 37 by 6. Now, if we divide 37 by 6, negative 6 6 is 36. 36. 37 minus 36 is 1. Therefore, we are getting 6 whole 1 by 6. This is the answer of question number 6. Now we shall solve question number 7. Right? Now question number 7 is question number 7. Here is question number 7. Question number 7 is 5, 6, 7. That is 8 whole 1 by 2. 8 whole 1 by 2 minus 3 whole 5 by 8 by 8. Therefore, we are getting 8 is 16 plus 1, 17 by 2. That is 17 by 2 minus 3 is 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 29 by 8. Now LCM of 2 and 8 is LCM, that is 2 and 8. 2 and 8. 8. If we divide it by 2, that is 2 and 2. 2 4 is 8. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 4, and that comes to 8. 8, right? Therefore, LCM is 8. LCM is 8. Divide 8 by 2, that is 4. That is 17 into 4. 17 into 4 minus 8 by 8 is 1. 1 into 29. 1 into 29. 29. Therefore, it comes to, it is 8 and 17 4. 17 we multiply 17 by 4. 4 7 ja 28. 2 here 8. 4 in 4 plus 5 6. 68. That is 68 minus 29. If we subtract it, we are getting 68 minus 2 9. 2 9. That is 9. 2 plus 1 3. 4 5 6 3 3 39. We are getting 39 by 8. Now if we divide 39 by 8, we are getting 4 8 ja 32. 9 minus 2 is 7. That is 4 whole 7 by 8. This is the answer. Therefore, we are getting 4 whole 7 by 8. 7 by 8. This is the answer. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.